Now, your local on the 8th.
Currently, the temperature is 44 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. Overnight, cloudy intervals, low 42. Winds northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For Tuesday, partly cloudy skies, high 70. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, a few clouds, low 51. Winds southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, cloudy skies, high 77. Winds south at 20 to 30 miles per hour. The week ahead.
Down almost like a bulldozer. The whole
Stop
road
recording
is
video.
just being